Introduction criteria as per APA. You have to introduce the problem. The body of a manuscript opens with an introduction that presents the specific problem under study and describes the research strategy. It should be clearly identified by its position in the manuscript. Do not write labeled heading of introduction. It should specify why is this problem important? How does the study relate to the previous work in the area? If other aspects of this study have been reported previously, how does this report differ from and build on the earlier report? What are the primary and secondary hypotheses and objectives of the study, and what, if any, are links to the theory? How do the hypothesis and research design relate to one another? What are the theoretical and practical implications of the study? Explore importance of the problem. The problem deserves new research. You have to state why the problem deserves new research. For basic research, the statement about the importance might involve the need to resolve any inconsistency and results of the past work, or extend the reach of a theoretical formulation. For applied research, this might involve the need to solve a social problem or treat a psychological disorder. When research is driven by the desire to resolve controversial issues, it is all sides in the debate should be represented in balanced measure in the introduction. Conclude the statement. The problem in the introduction with a brief formal statement of the purpose of the research that summarizes the material preceding it. Start. For literature review, as well as the theoretical and methodological articles, also clearly state the reason that the reported content is important and how the article fits into it. Describe the relevant scholarships. Discuss the relevant related literature. Do not include an exhaustive historical account. Assume that the reader is knowledgeable. Scholarly description of earlier work in the introduction. Provide a summary of the most recent directly related work and recognizes the priority of the work of others. Citation of and the specific credit to the relevant earlier works. At the same time, cite and reference only works pertinent to your topic. Emphasize pertinent findings. Give relevant methodological issues. Major conclusions. Refer the reader to the journal survey or research synthesis of the topic if they are available. When summarizing earlier works, avoid non-essential details. State hypotheses and their corresponding to the research design. Always remember your hypothesis should match with the research design. You have to introduce the problem. Develop the background material. Explain your approach to solving the problem. In empirical studies, state your hypothesis or a specific question and describe how these were derived from theory or logically connected to the previous data and argumentation. Explain how the research design permits the inferences needed to examine the hypothesis or provide estimates in answer to the question. Format. In preparing your manuscript, begin the introduction on a new page. Identify it with the running head and the page number 3. Type the title of the manuscript in uppercase and lowercase letters, centered at the top of the page, and then type the text. The remaining sections of the article follow each other without a break. Each remaining manuscript page should also carry the running head and the page number. Do not start a new page when a new heading occurs. Come to method. Thank you. The next session will be for the method.